Hi guys! A couple of my relatives are gonna visit my house later today, and as you see, I'm preparing a special dish for them now. So, in this episode, you will learn some expressions related with relatives and cooking, which are 할머니, 외할머니, 육수, 대식가, 손녀, and 손자. Hello, I'm Boli, and it's Boli's Korean. Do you know what dish it is? It's called 밀푀유나베. I get to know about this Japanese food and its recipe through the internet by searching the dishes for housewarming party because I need something special to show off. This one looks pretty and of course tastes great. And most of all, it is easy to cook. Let me introduce my guest today by the way, while preparing the food. The most special guest is my grandmother on my mom's side. As she's living in my hometown like my mom, she will be here with my mother. Oh, and also one of my cousins will be here too to meet his grandmother, who is also my grandmother. As you might know, we call grandmothers 할머니 for both sides. For both of the grandmother on dad's side and mom's side. But did you also know that when we talk about some relatives, especially on mom's side, we often put a kind of prefix 왜 in front of the word. So I can say that the guest today is my 할머니 and also my 외할머니. It is applied to uncles and aunts as well, which are 삼촌 and 숙모 respectively. We also call them 외삼촌 and 외숙모. What I'm making is Japanese soy sauce based broth, which you can see on the left side of the stove. The broth will be put into another pot later that I'm preparing somewhere else. Do you know what broth is in Korean? It is 육수. 육수. And very often we put the name of the main ingredient in front of 육수, like 멸치 육수, meaning anchovy broth, or 닭 육수, indicating chicken broth. So today's 육수 is 무 육수, the 육수 with radish, but actually also with leek and kelp. So look, here I'm putting some cleanly washed and trimmed vegetables one by one here into the pot. First, green bean sprouts, then bok choy, and also then mushroom. And importantly, look at this. After making a kind of layers of napa cabbage, porilla leaves, and beef, I will cut them into 3 pieces for each layers to put like this. And also look, the mushroom in the middle is the true core of this dish. Ta-da! Do you like this? Lastly, what I need to do is that putting the previously prepared broth into this pot and boil. But honestly, I don't want to destroy what I've done so far with a lot of effort, because this is exactly the visual, the look that I wanted to show off to my guests. So I wanted to wait until somebody compliments what I've done today. But B-U-T. But by the time I was about to finish preparing, I heard a shocking news that you'd be shocked too. That the traffic was too jammed that they're gonna be late about 2 or 3 hours later than expected. And also that as they will arrive too late for dinner, they'll have dinner at a highway service station. Oh my god. How could they do this to me? That's mean, isn't it? Luckily enough, my cousin Jin-hyung, who you might saw in another video that deals with Korean's typical self-introduction, will arrive on time for dinner. So, all of this is for him. This much for one guest. Fortunately, he is a definitely 대식가, which indicates those who eat a lot, the big eaters. After having dinner like a horse, look, my 외할머니 and mom have finally arrived. So, here goes a woman's daughter and her daughter and her daughter. Again, here is a baby's mom and her mom and her mom. Haha, do we look alike? By the way, I am a 손녀 to my 외할머니, which means her children's daughter. And my cousin Jin-hyung, who is her son's son, is 손자. So when someone's children's child is a girl or a woman, she is 손녀. And when it is a boy or a guy, he is 손자. Am I clear? So today's expressions were 할머니, 외할머니, 육수, 대식가, 손녀, and 손자. Thank you for watching this family video. Have a lovely day with your family, everyone. Bye!